welcome back to the Booked by Email mini-series. This is the third episode in the series, and in today's episode we're going to be talking about something a little bit different, but essential. This is the mindset shift that changed everything for me when it came to pitching. Because honestly, you can have the best email templates in the world, which by now you probably do because you've downloaded the Steal My Client Emails templates. If you haven't, they're below. But it's the fear that is holding you back, and it makes it really hard to hit send. So I'm gonna be completely honest. I used to be terrified of pitching. I hated the thought of it. It wasn't because I didn't know how to do it. I did. I kind of always understood that all I had to do was send an email. But it was the fear of what the person on the other side would think of me that really stopped me doing it. I was so afraid of looking desperate, of annoying someone who was important, of saying the wrong thing, of hearing no, or worse, hearing nothing at all. So I'd spend hours researching and thinking about pitching and crafting pitch emails only to never send the actual emails. And I don't know if that sounds familiar. Let me know if it does. But then one day I reframed the whole thing, and I went from thinking, I'm bothering them, to wait, I'm actually offering something that is helpful, because that's all pitching is. It's saying, hey, I love your brand. Here is how I could help you. That's it. It's a conversation starter. And that shift changed everything for me. Suddenly, I wasn't afraid to pitch anymore. I really understood the value that I brought to the table for that person, for that brand. And that confidence really showed. My pitches got better. I got more replies. I started booking more work. And it wasn't because I was being the loudest or being the most bullshit or being the most direct. It was because I was being intentional and thinking about the person on the other end and what they needed from me. So the next time you hesitate to send a pitch email, I want to leave you with one thing to remind yourself. Think of this. If I truly believed in the work that I was offering, would I still be afraid to send this? Your work is valuable. It helps brands make money. That is hugely valuable, and you deserve to have that work seen. You deserve to be seen. But people are not psychic. If you don't tell them what you can do, they cannot assume it. They don't know. So inside the Success Studio, I don't just give you the strategy of how to do all this. I support the mindset behind it as well. I help you work out what it takes to get the clarity on why you should be showing up, the courage and the confidence to show up as well. I tell you how to price yourself, how to build a portfolio that you're really proud of, that you love, and that you know is good, and how to follow up without overthinking everything you're doing. It's the full picture of how to build an incredible career as a fashion photographer. I take all of the guesswork away. The doors open on August the 13th. Make sure you are on the waitlist. If you are not on the waitlist, you will not receive the special waitlist bonus if you sign up. When you do sign up to the waitlist and sign up to the Success Studio, you will get the social media content confidence kit for fashion photographers specifically. This is everything I know about what works with Instagram right now for fashion photographers and how to get booked through social media as well as pitching, because we can do multiple things. We don't need to just rely on one thing. And social media can be fun, and it can be an incredible additional bonus to everything you're doing with your pitching. So that is it for this little series. I really hope you're walking away from this with a new spark, some new ideas, some new confidence, because honestly, you don't need to wait for permission to go after your dreams of fashion photography. You can just start where you are with what you have in front of you. And when you're ready for the full system, the Success Studio will be right there waiting for you. I'll see you in the next one.